I'd like to add more Solana to my portfolio to enhance the compounding effect through staking. Do you think Solana's current price is a good entry point considering its fundamentals and the potential ETF? Or is the crypto cycle stage a concern? Would dollar cost averaging be a safer approach? DCA is always a safer approach. However, let's have a look at what happened. Yes, in the last 24 hours, I bought first time in a long while because I now know that the ETF is coming. We are 95% certain of that. And this chain is stupidly cheap. The dApps and the chain itself trade at about 15 times sales. It's the only blockchain in the world even remotely close to that. Many of them are trading at 1,000,000 times sales. It is insanely cheap. I just heard as well, Jupiter this morning has done $1 trillion in swaps. $1 trillion. The market cap is less than $1 billion. It does $1 trillion in business. It's bonkers. I love that little, the GIF where the guy goes. Anyway, crazy. So yes, the economy is booming for Solana, absolutely ripping, and Bloomberg say there is a 95% chance of the ETF coming this year. So nothing but goodness. And if you play where the puck is going to be, that thing is going to get ignited. Let's have a look at the chart real quick. Just a couple of things. We're not looking at anything but what we call the confluence cloud. As you can see, the trend is still down because we do have a little bit of macro uglies out the window. Solana's trading on 130 as we speak. And right now, we technically have a buy signal because whenever Solana falls out of the cloud to the downside, typically that's a buy signal. It is extremely oversold. You'll see the same thing on mean reversion. We haven't had a buy signal pop yet on the 4-hour or the daily or the 12-hour, but that is beginning to shine a little bit. Also, the corollary is true. When you go above the cloud, it means it's overbought, which it's due for a pullback. There you can see the sell at the top and the two buys at the bottom. We are now breaching the cloud. So buying Sol at $129, yeah, it could go to 100, but the risk reward is definitely there. Very high probability we'll go higher from here. In fact, the model says so with an 87%, 86% chance of certainty. We're close to the bottom, if not at the bottom. That's why I bought in the last 24 hours.